Hello, I'm Glenn Williams, Managing Director of Envirowall Global Limited. We supply Envirowall panel products that are a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to MDF and plasterboard to the interior fit-out and building sectors globally. We typically provide sustainable building solutions to not only retail clients such as Marks & Spencer's and their partner shop fitting companies, but also schools, office buildings, airports, hotels and the like. We provide our clients with sustainable alternatives to traditional forms of construction, effectively substituting MDF and plasterboard used for walls, fixtures and fittings with more environmentally considerate materials, which are made from straw and waste material. Through the successful transformation of this waste material into sustainable, high quality, impact and fire resistant Envirowall panels, we are able to eliminate wet trades on site, thereby reducing waste and fit out time. Our patent-pending unique formula allows us to pre-finish the Envirowall panels to a high standard, requiring no plastering or decoration on site. This ultimately allows properties to be open for business earlier, thereby benefiting our clients' bottom line by achieving sales revenue as soon as practically possible. Our latest introduction of the Envirowall Srawboard really expands our services into all areas of the building and interior fit-out sectors. As we can supply this material unfinished as well as pre-finished, we often partner with other specialist manufacturers such as kitchen manufacturers and joinery businesses for them to incorporate the Envirowall panel into their manufacturing processes and provide their clients with sustainable alternatives to their standard product ranges. Supplying our Envirowall Srawboard as a pre-finished panel, say with either a melamine spray or laminate finish, provides a moisture, fire and sound resistant wall or fixture product that is light yet impact resistant and totally sustainable. Envirowall has recently secured the first round of funding that will see Envirowall Global Limited becoming the first volume agricultural crop waste panel manufacturer in the UK. Over the forthcoming months, Envirowall Global will be relocating our warehousing and logistics operation to incorporate the manufacturing plant required to take waste straw from UK crop farming and turn into high quality, smooth panels suitable for the property interiors and built environment generally. In an unprecedented move forward for our business and as a result of the manufacturing commitment, Envirowall Global will be acting as sole distributors for the Srawboard in the UK and are already building up to the volumes required to justify UK manufacturing. In line with our business philosophy, Envirowall Global will only distribute panel products that are truly sustainable. The Srawboard complements the waste paperboard already offered by Envirowall Global, which has been used by the likes of Marks & Spencer's. To ensure we deliver on our environmental credentials, Envirowall Global has invested and commenced various environmental assessments that will ultimately culminate into a BES 6001 and BREEAM rating. For developers and tenants, this will mean your overall environmental assessment of the building will be improved when using Envirowall as an alternative to MDF and plasterboard. Envirowall will effectively provide building owners and tenants with partitions, fixtures and fittings incorporating surface finishes and structures that achieve the highest score possible in the UK, something that has historically been difficult to achieve with plasterboard or MDF. The Envirowall Srawboard manufacturing process is quite simple and low in energy usage compared to other panel manufacturing processes. This improves the carbon footprint of the board production. Envirowall Srawboard is literally made from leftover straw locally sourced to the manufacturing plant. Normally burned as waste, the straw represents around 90% of the raw material used to form the panels. The straw material is first broken down into particles and then mixed in hoppers. An environmentally friendly resin that contains zero formaldehyde is then added at around 3% of volume proportion, which is much less than that required by conventional wood-based products such as MDF that rely on formaldehyde-based resins. The material is then formed into mats with any overspill being recovered for later use. The mats are then transferred to a multi-bed, steam-heated hydraulic press. The press is then heated to around 160 degrees Celsius and subjects the mats to the equivalent of 1,000 tons of force. Once pressed and cured, the panels are then cut to size, quality checked, packed and wrapped, ready for shipment anywhere in the world. What this means for our distributing partners is that Envirowall Global is now able to offer unfinished, straw-based Envirowall panels at a cost comparable to MDF. This opens the market massively for us by attracting many more potential users not previously tapped into, such as joinery companies, shop fitting, fixture and fittings manufacturers, kitchen and furniture manufacturers, for example. The increased volume potential is generated not only by the larger market penetration due to Envirowall's versatility, but more importantly, it's only now that a truly sustainable alternative to MDF and plasterboard has become available at the right cost. Due to the success of our melamining processes on the straw-based Envirowall board, costs of our pre-finished Envirowall panels are now also comparable to pre-finished MDF. Envirowall is now the first choice, cost-effective alternative to MDF and plasterboard. So if corporate and social responsibility is important to you and you're looking to build your properties in a way that is kinder to the environment and cost-effective, Envirowall really is for you. So click on the Contact Us page and get in touch so we can help you be kinder to the environment.